For this reaction video, I selected the Facebook Cambridge Analytica data misuse case, which became a global example of why strict compliance with data privacy laws is essential. This case shows how weak data governance can lead to massive legal, political, and ethical consequences. So, in 2018, it was revealed that Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm, harvested personal data from 87 million Facebook users without their consent. This was done through a third-party quiz app that collected user data and also the data of their friends, exploiting Facebook's permission API policies at that time. So the Facebook failed to properly enforce data sharing policies, protect user personal information, ensure third-party developers complied with platform rules. So this resulted in global outrage and multiple legal investigation. Legal consequences for Facebook is 5 million fine by the US Federal Trade Commission or the FTC for privacy violation, required to implement strict new privacy controls, mandatory independent privacy audits every 2 years, increased restriction on third-party data access. So this case made me realize how dangerous it is when a company mishandles personal data, especially a company with billions of users worldwide. What shocked me most was how easily third-party apps could access private information without users knowing. For me, the core issue was not just technical failure, it was a failure of trust, transparency, and ethical responsibility. So Facebook allowed a system that prioritized data collection and platform growth over privacy. In today's world, that's unacceptable. So what went wrong? Number one is lax data governance. Facebook did not enforce strong oversight on how app developers use for I developers use or shared user data. Number two is lack of user consent. Data was harvested without explicit permission, violating emerging privacy standards. Number three is weak API controls. Facebook old API allowed apps to collect data from friends of users, creating massive exposure. Number four is the non-compliance with with privacy laws. While this happened before GDPR enforcement, the behavior clearly violated principles of data minimization, purpose limitation, and ethical data use. Once GDPR came into force, regulators used this case as justification for strict penalties. The Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal demonstrates that even the biggest tech companies can face massive legal and financial penalties if they fail to comply with data privacy expectations. It also shows how much power digital platforms have over users and how important it is to handle that power responsibly. This case reinforced that data privacy, IT compliance, and ethical use of information are pillars of modern IT management.